Imagine earning money online by simply clicking a button and watching a few brief films. What could possibly be wrong with that? I'll show you how to start generating money online in a minute by viewing basic videos like this and this, just like all of these guys here from all over the world. This person, for example, could earn $10 to $20 or even $50 with just a phone and no prior expertise. You can start making money online for free and from anywhere in the world. So please pay attention because I'll teach you how in this video. Simply create a free account and I'll teach you the videos that will pay you the most money, as well as how to do it step by step so that people may begin making money and receiving cash as soon as today. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. So first and foremost, go to google.com and type in the term Twitch TV and hit the enter key. You should be able to find the first link, twitch.tv, right here, and I'd like you to click on that link, which will lead you to this image, where you may see a range of fully free films and channels. The majority of these movies are game videos, similar to the one we'll be using. As you can see, we'll be making a lot of money online. As you can see, there are options for $10, $20, $40, and even hundreds of dollars. So first and foremost, click on the browse icon at the top of the page, and you'll be led to this page where you can browse through the various categories of films accessible on our website. As you can see, there are various video categories to choose from right now, but I'd like you to concentrate on the Fortnite category because it's quickly becoming one of the most popular game videos. I'd like you to click on this category, which will lead you to this website, which is under the Fortnite category. This one has 62 million followers, and you can see it right here. The genre of videos has attached the interest of many people, so we can see all of the videos that we can watch and use to make money online. If we scroll down below, so for the next part, I'd like you to go to this website, Oki.io, which you can see here, and watch short films like this. Because as you can see, we can make a lot of money online, so don't worry. This is an easy assignment, and I'll show you everything that's going on this video. That's the usual procedure. Now, I'll demonstrate how to create a free account on this website in order to shorten a long URL link. If I want to reproduce something, I'll return to this page and copy the video link, then paste the Twitch TV link right here, and then shorten it by pressing this button right here. This is a list of the abbreviated URLs provided by this website. As you can see, I can make money online by getting others to click on the shortened link, but it all relies on who clicks on it. I'll be able to earn $5 if someone from Germany clicks on my link. I'll be able to earn $450 if someone from the United States click on my link. So if you look at the table below, we can see that I can make varied amounts of money based on which country they're from and where they click on my link. That's how these individuals from all over the world make money online by sharing video links like the one on this page. As you can see, this business is presently used by over 373,000 people to generate money online, and they accept a number of payment options such as PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfers. Before we go any further, I'll give you a few minutes to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you like the video so far. Please leave a comment if you found this video entertaining and informative. So I'm going to show you how to make a free account right now. Simply go to the top of the website and click the sign up button to be directed to this page, where you may join up for a free new membership. Simply enter your username and email address, confirm your password, click the I'm not a robot checkbox, and then click the submit button. That's the only thing there is to it. As you can see from the screenshot above, you can log into your brand new account right now to see how many people click on your link and how much money you can earn right here on this website on the statistic page, which is the home page because this is a fresh account with no link shortened. Because you can see that the balance is $0. I'll show you an actual example right now. First and foremost, I'd like you to go back to twitch.tv and look for 3 videos under the Fortnite category. I'm currently watching this video as well as the first, second, and the third videos, all of which are available right now. As you can see, the first video I opened is here, followed by the second video, and lastly the third video. Let's return to the first video now. I'd like you to scroll down and press the share button again, as well as capture a screenshot of this video to copy. We'll copy the URL and then paste it into this box on our dashboard, which is right here, and then hit the shorten button, as you can see. And this website will automatically assist us shorten this link into a much shorter, acceptable link. So for now, I'll simply copy and paste this completed script to you. This is a free Fortnite video post that you are welcome to copy and paste. I'll give you a quick rundown of the game right now, then say something along the lines of, "For more Fortnite movies, click the link below to watch now," and then paste the links to the 3 films here. As a result, I was able to earn money online every time someone clicked on our link. As an example, as you can see, I've pasted the shorter link just below the original video. As you can see, this is my first URL link, which implies that depending on which region people click on my link from, I can receive a varied amount of money. People in Norway, for example, could click on my link and earn $5, and I profited $5. Repeat the procedure by clicking the share button and copying the entire URL address. Now we'll go back to our account and delete this one. Then copy the new link from the second video and paste it here. Then click the shorten button and this website will automatically shorten the link to this one. And I copied this link, hit copy, and then I'll go back to this template and insert the second link right here on video 2, as you can see. Finally, we'll go down to the bottom of the third video and click the share option. Then copy the video link. After that, we'll log back into our account and remove everything before pasting the new link for the third movie into the abbreviated box. Finally, we'll go back to the script and copy the third link into this box. Isn't that the whole story? I'll give you the full template to copy and paste right now. And then you just need to paste your 3 URLs into this box. For the final section, I'd like you to look over this forum, forums.pcgamer.com. This is a well-known and popular website where people discuss various gaming topics, including Fortnite videos, and one of the reasons I liked it is that it is completely free and accessible from anywhere on the planet. There's also a lot of discussion and people talking about games. For example, in the PC gaming discussion under General Gaming, there are nearly 22,000 messages and over 300 posts. If I click on this link, it will take you to these sites where we can find various posts and people. They're creating a fairly simple piece that's gaining a lot of attention. As you can see, there are 226,100 views, and there are a range of options available right here on our website. When I look for the phrase Fortnite, I find a lot of people talking about it. The fact that over 62 million people are watching Fortnite videos on Twitch TV shows that gaming videos are popular right now. This thread is an excellent area to copy and paste the template and distribute it to others in the community. You can make more money online if more people click on your link, and that is precisely how all of the people on this page have been able to make so much money online. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.